Hello lovelies, guess what? We are making pawpaw stew, but first let's pluck some pawpaw. Now these are the ingredients I'll be using: fresh tomatoes, onions, pepper, some cloves of garlic, salt, rosemary, onga seasoning, cooking oil, the green pawpaw of course, and some corned beef. I still don't have a ring light, so I needed to improvise. I am going to blend some onions, pepper, garlic, and the tomato seeds. I added a bit of oil to it when I was blending, but mostly I don't add any oil because the seeds are juicy enough to help with the blending process. Now, I chopped the tomatoes and some more onions. Then I peel the seed and dice the pawpaw fruit. This pawpaw has started ripening, but it was still very hard, so it was going to be good for our stew. I then boil it for about 5 minutes. Let's get to cooking. I poured in the oil and added onions and corned beef. I stirred a little while and added the blended pepper mix and stirred it in. I let it cook and I added some rosemary because I love the aroma it gives to food. Then I added the fresh tomatoes and allowed it to cook, and then I added some more onions for texture. And then salt and seasoning to taste. At this point, I add the cooked pawpaw, stir it around a little, and we are done. I love to serve this with rice, and it's absolutely delicious. It's crunchy and soft and juicy and sweet and so good. You have to try this recipe. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you.